That's for speaking foundation. Option 1, Stage 1. Video 1. Let's talk about the video. Introduce yourself. Name, age, city. My name is Yerley Daniela Barte Sosa. I am 21 years old. I live in El Carmen Norte, Santander. Explain each step mentioned in the video. Step 1. Relax. Step 2. Don't try to translate. Step 3. Using context to help you understand. Step 4. Practice with different situations and voice. Step 5. Make a study plan. At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situation. Name and the leads to or for those situations. 1. You will hear a British English teacher speaking slow and clearly. 2. A native with an Scottish accent. He will speak an Scottish accent with a lot of jargon and idiom English. In the minute 3:20, one other language is spoken. What language was that? Portuguese. Which are the 2 rules for the first step? 1. Do something every day. 2. Do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? Study plan. Monday. 1 or 2 songs 2 or 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. 15 minutes from a British TV show. Thursday. Do a listen exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of a new film. How to stick to your plan? Make a plan at the beginning of the week. Put it somewhere in your house and think about the time of the when you should practice. When you do your practice, mark it out for the plan of the week. Having in mind the video, where can you obtain materials to practice English? You can search Google and you might find material that is useful for you. Understanding more than 50% of what you hear and less than 90% the first time. Thank you.